Hey Lead Sherpa users, here today to provide you the step-by-step tutorial of integrating your Twilio account. Now some of you may already have a Twilio account. Great, it doesn't have to be brand new to use it in Lead Sherpa, so you can use Twilio accounts old or new. If you don't have a Twilio account yet, it really does just take a couple minutes to set up your account. Just go to twilio.com and enter your information there. It's a very easy sign-up process, so you can go ahead and do that real quick and then follow the tutorial. So once you have your account, if you don't have any phone numbers yet, just come here to your console and then type in phone in the search here. You want to click on buy a number. And then you're going to search for the country that you want your number in, which would be the United States. And we want to have one with all capabilities so that you can call, you can do SMS, and you can send photos with MMS as well. Fax doesn't really matter, but we'll keep it checked. And then we want to put our search criteria. So I want a 720 phone number, and I want the first part of the phone number to match that 720 because I want it to be in Denver, Colorado. So then I'm going to go ahead and hit search, and it should bring up all of the phone numbers available. So those will match all of these capabilities up here that we put, and so we can see all of these phone numbers available, and then we go through and we buy a minimum of 20 phone numbers. 20 phone numbers are required to use your Twilio phone numbers in Lead Sherpa so that we can have a good daily send limit and a good amount of phone numbers to send from. So you do need to come here and buy 20 phone numbers. They are $1 per month, and so you'll be charged each month that $20 for your phone numbers. Then you want to come back to your console. Oops. I just click on my company name in the top left corner there. And it brings us back to this home page. We want to have auto recharge on because we are charged per text with Twilio, and so you don't want to realize or not realize that you've run out of your credit, and so you are blocked on sending texts. So you want to have your auto recharge on there, and then you can set it to how much it should recharge, and you can change that at any time. So all you need to integrate your Twilio account with your Lead Sherpa account are your account SID and your account token. And so these are just little copy icons here that you can click. So you'll click to copy, and then you'll paste it here. So we're in account settings, manage app integrations, scroll down. Twilio is the only option right now. And then you just paste your SID and your token in there. And this is currently integrated, so it says integrated, but we just hit that integrate button. It will take even up to a minute maybe to think and to do that connection, but it will tell you once it's complete. And then as soon as it's complete, that's all you need. Those are all of the credentials that you need in order to connect everything. You can come here to your number manager, click on Twilio numbers, and you'll be able to see your phone numbers here. We have 30. Again, you only need 20, though the more the merrier, but you do need 20 phone numbers. And so as long as you see your numbers here, your 20 phone numbers, you're good to go. If you don't see them yet, or maybe you integrated your account before you had 20, if you do make any changes, adding or releasing phone numbers within Twilio, come back to your number manager and hit sync Twilio updates, and that will pull in any changes that you made in your Twilio account. Once you're set here and good to go, you come to your campaign, and then you will hit edit on a campaign, or when you're creating a campaign, this is the same modal that you'll see, and you will choose your Twilio market, and this will use those Twilio phone numbers in this specific campaign. So you can still use your Lead Sherpa phone numbers and your Twilio numbers if you want. If you are Twilio only, you do get an additional discount, but if you are a hybrid account using both, then you will not get that additional discount. So go ahead and hit Twilio. And then you'll see that it is updated in your market. Sorry, I should do that again just to really show you what it looks like. And actually save the changes on that one. So I can see here Twilio is assigned as the market. Now the system knows to use those Twilio phone numbers in that campaign. So just remember that if you want to use your Twilio numbers in a campaign, update all of your markets to use those Twilio phone numbers. Again, if you are Twilio only, you will get an additional discount because you are paying per text with Twilio, versus if you are using Lead Sherpa phone numbers, you won't get that discount as you are not paying per text when you are using our numbers. So if you do have any questions, reach out to us at support@leadsherpa.com, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for further updates.